नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर ट्राइंगल से रिलेटेड एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल थ्योरम पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं। तो आप हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए और जानिए कि एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल थ्योरम क्या है और इसका प्रूफ क्या है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड एंजॉय दिस वीडियो। एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स थ्योरम। So what is the theorem? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. According to the statement, here is given that two triangles and they are similar. Then prove that the ratio of their areas just equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So let us enjoy the proof of this theorem, and this is the most important theorem. According to the statement of areas of similar triangles theorem, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Means two triangles are given. So we will take as triangle ABC and triangle PQR. You can take other triangles also. And these two triangles are similar according to the statement. Now the requirement, the square of sides having the same ratio, means we will prove here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR just equal to AB upon PQ whole square equal to square of BC upon QR equal to square of CA upon PR, otherwise RP. Okay, so this is the requirement, and this is also written as AB square upon PQ square, BC square upon QR square, and CA square upon RP square. Okay, now proving these things, we will construct two triangles. First of all, you can see here, these are triangles ABC and triangle PQR, and first of all we will construct some things, that is a perpendicular on BC and a perpendicular PN on QR. So this is the requirement for prove this theorem. So now how can prove this theorem? Let us start. So first of all, since area is given, question says that area, so we will find the area of triangle. So now we will find here area of triangle ABC using the simple formula. You know that area of triangle equal to half into base into height. So we will use this simple formula to find the area of triangle ABC. So here area of triangle ABC, we will write here 1/2 into base. You can see here this BC is the base, and height means this is perpendicular distance, so you will write it is AM. Okay, again you will find, because requirement the ratio of two triangles, so we will find the area of second triangle, that is triangle PQR. Now area of triangle PQR is equal to just half, base here is QR and height is PN. Therefore, according to the requirement, we will find here ratio. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, this is just a half into BC into AM divided by half into QR into PN. So you can see here something is cancelled out from the numerator and the denominator. So what things you cancelled out here? Half. You will cancel this half from the numerator and denominator. Then we will get area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. This is just BC upon QR into AM upon PN. This is the equation number. First we have to take this as a equation number 1. Okay. Now according to the requirement, we will observe some things. What? That is BC upon QR is required, but AM upon PN is not required. So we will remove it using some other criteria. Okay. So we will take the other steps. Now we will take in triangle ABM, AMB लिख सकते हैं, otherwise ABM, and triangle PQN. Okay, what you write here, you can write angle B equal to angle Q. That is, we will write these things here. That is, angle P equal to angle Q. Why you can write it? Because triangle ABC and triangle PQ are already similar. If it is similar, then all the corresponding angles are equal. So you will write here reason. Since triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, this is similar, so their corresponding angles are equal. Now you can write one more thing, that is angle M equal to angle N. Why? Because each 90 degree by construction, each 90 degree y construction, because this is perpendicular height. Okay. Now if these two angles are equal, then by AA criterion otherwise you can write here similarity, so that triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN. Okay, if these two triangles are similar, then according to the definition of similarity, you can write their sides are in the proportional. their sides are proportional. So we will write here, then we will get here AM upon APN corresponding side equal to AB upon PQ. Okay, if these two triangles are similar, then according to the definition of similarity of two triangles, their sides are proportional. So we will write only these two sides, no much sides, only two sides, that is AM upon next side PN and AB divided by PQ. So this is the equation number 2. Okay. Now, since triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, why? This is given. This is already given. These two triangles are similar. Therefore, their corresponding sides are proportional. Means you can write it as AB upon second PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. This is the equation number 3. Using equation number 2 and 3. Equation number 2 and 3. What you get? You will get in here, that is AB upon PQ just equal to BC upon QR just equal to AC upon PR, and AB upon PQ is given that AM upon PN. So you will write AM upon PN. Okay. So use these things, that is AM upon PN. So what you get here? That is, from these steps you will get BC upon QR. BC upon QR equal to AM upon PN. This is the equation number 4. Why? Because our requirement to remove AM upon PN from this equation number 1. So we will substitute this value in the equation number 1. So what you get? You will get here, after this step, I want to rub it. So here, after these steps, we will get here, that is from equation 1st and 2nd, from equation 1st and 4th, we get, what you get? We will get area of triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR. This is BC upon QR, and you replace this AM by PN, that is BC upon QR, that is you will substitute here BC upon QR. From where? From the equation number 4. Then what you get here? You will get in this step, that is BC to BC, BC square, and QR into QR, you will get QR square, and this is written as BC upon QR, and this is a whole square. So one thing is automatically we will get. Similarly, no need to prove other sides. You will write here similarly. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This is just next thing is AB upon PQ, that is whole square, and also you can write it as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This is just next side is AC upon PR, and it is a whole square. So no need to show here prove. You will write directly by writing similarly. So we will get this is, from this we will get the conclusion, that is we will get here some conclusion, that is area. Therefore we will write here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. This is just equal to AB upon PQ whole square equal to BC upon QR, that is the whole square, and AC upon PR. Once again we will get a whole square. So this is our requirement. So you can write here and prove. So this is the theorem, that is area related to similar triangle. You can use this result directly in the question, but keep in mind that this is the most important question for board examination. Now
तो दोस्तों, हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और हमारे इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि हमारा वीडियो आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचे।